Welcome, friends and wellness seekers, to WeSo Health Tips. Today, we journey through history, heritage, and healing, all tucked inside one humble grain, corn. From sacred seeds to silky strands, corn has been nourishing bodies and souls for over 9,000 years. Let's explore the ancient knowledge baked into every bite. In many cultures, corn isn't just food, it's life. The Mayans believed humanity was crafted from corn. In Andean villages, elders bless their harvest with incense, music, and reverence. Let's talk benefits. Corn is brimming with the kind of goodness your body craves. Insoluble fiber keeps things moving and supports colon health. That same fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Corn's pigments, lutein and zeaxanthin, filter harmful light and protect your eyes as you age. Its complex carbs fuel long days and nourish active lives. When eaten whole, corn may reduce bad cholesterol and support arterial health. From cornmeal pudding to polenta, it adapts to every culture, palate, and need. You might think it's just fluff, but across cultures, corn silk has long been a sacred medicine. Native American healers used it in tea for kidney cleansing, urinary tract health, and easing inflammation. It was also laid at burial sites to symbolize purity. Mesoamerican medicine. The Aztecs combined corn silk with cacao or chilies in ceremonial tonics. Traditional Chinese medicine, called yumixu, it's valued for clearing internal heat, used for hypertension, liver support, and diabetes. African Caribbean remedies. Elders steeped it to ease water retention, cleanse the bladder, and calm overworked kidneys. Balkan folk practices. Midwives brewed corn silk infusions to support mothers postpartum and soothe restless children. 1 cup at a time, corn silk connects us to our ancestors and helps us protect what matters most, our inner balance. Corn medicine doesn't stop at the cob. Generations have passed down healing techniques that modern science is just catching up with. Cornmeal poultices, warm, sticky applications on boils, infections, or sore joints, used by rural healers to draw out poison. Roasted corn chewing, used in Afro-Caribbean practice for indigestion, believed to mop up excess stomach acid. Corn husk steam wraps, infused with herbs and wrapped around limbs to ease swelling or relax muscles, used in indigenous and African diaspora spiritual baths. Fermented corn elixirs, like chicha, atol, or pozol, these drinks nourish, hydrate, and introduce probiotics to the gut. Corn has danced through kitchens from Nigeria to Naples. Let's take a closer look at how cultures shaped it into magic. Nigeria, street vendors selling roasted corn beside spicy suya stands. Jamaica, cornmeal porridge sweetened with condensed milk and a dash of nutmeg, comfort in a bowl. Italy, creamy polenta nestled under rosemary mushroom ragu. China, stir-fried corn with edamame, or slow-simmered cornmeal congee. U.S. South, cornbread and hush puppies served with collard greens and smoked meats. Peru, purple corn boiled into chicha morada, infused with pineapple and cinnamon. Wherever you are in the world, corn likely walks your table, gracing it with history, healing, and heritage. So tell me, which corn story resonates with you most? If you loved uncovering the deeper truth behind this golden grain, don't forget. Like this video to support our channel. Share it with someone who grew up on corn porridge or chicha. Subscribe for more sacred plant wisdom and health tips from around the world, only here on WeSo Health Tips. Stay nourished, stay rooted, and keep the ancestral flame alive.